Guys, welcome back from another video. Today, we're doing a flood.
Okay.
Ready?
Yeah. Okay. I'll kill the bug, guys.
I'm just gonna try to get it in. And look at all the guys. So basically, that dude right there, that's a robot, sends all these people to get a dude. But look at the flood.
Okay, why are you keeping it like that, guys?
Gotta wait, guys. Dude makes it. But look. Making it almost past the hill.
What? Here. Oh my, I got my butt, guys. I got my butt. Wait, you wanna see? Here you go, guys.
Okay, we don't want to look at that.
Oh. What is this thing?
Look, it's starting to flood. Oh my god.
Oh, hi. Jeez. When people got knocked down.
Guys, like, look. He's like fed in it, but only one alive that might fall.
Looks like she's almost gonna go in the
Look,
water.
look, this is always gonna go in the water. One is floating though. Where's his mustache?
Can I touch it on the water?
No, no.
Oh, I did it!
Do not touch it anymore. He's looking up at you.
Why should we not just float like right here? And how's this done, guys?
Look at it. Wow.
What? His face is on the water.
Face is underwater. Dude, don't take him out. Dude! Since you did that, you're not gonna be in her.
What? Why the hell is that?
Oh no, I wonder if it's gonna flood. Starting the flood.
Gucci butt. Gucci
Don't
butt.
say that. Wow, guys.
Look how much. I don't know why the hose is saying like that.
Look at the sand.
Guys, look at faces. Well, look at those. What is it?
They're all the way underwater. That's very deep, guys.
Touch it, guys. Can we touch it?
No.
Why?
Nah.
No. Oh, I'm putting the medicine up.
No, you're not. That's not even a middle finger.
Look, look.
No, you can't.
Okay. Get them,
Ooh, I'm gonna touch it. Ah.
Oh,
Ooh.
oh yeah. Sand is so.
Ooh, look, they're all floating. Dude. Look. I wish I could put you in there. Should I?
Yeah. And I couldn't hold my whistle that long.
Guys, we're all the way in the water. Getting out of there.
Yo, boy.
So, guys,
Them is talking, but
I'm gonna take
the
this
one
out.
who's talking, he's on the wall.
I'm gonna take this out, guys.
What? Oh no.
No.
Can I touch the hose?
Don't spray. Now, guys, look. Like, everybody got flooded.
Yeah. We can't touch anything on the waterway.
I was flooded our house.
Or here. Oh.
Don't, you can't do anything. Everybody had to jump.
Hey, it's splash pad in the pool.
Dude. You just got sand everywhere.
Yeah.
But guys, look at him. He's all the way underwater. He takes like my. I'm doing this. Look at it, like.
Whoa.
Look at everything.
The black thing is on the left. Oh.
Here's this dude. I'm gonna clean him.
Guys, when did the black thing go? We saw it was underwater.
You digged it up. Now it's all the way underwater.
Oh my.
You made it fall.
Guys, the icy view. Calm down, guys. Don't throw everything so it doesn't sink us. Even you guys.
Oh, you just made him float. He was sinking. Stop it. Look, he is like, this is so much fun.
Look at this
Can we
guy.
do another video of this?
Yeah, but it's good. It's not gonna be in here. It's gonna be right here.
Look how much it goes down.
Oh my.
Guys, look at
Jeez!
he's sitting down.
What? I see one is all the way underwater.
I got me wet a
This
little
one
bit.
blur. What
On
does
my
this
legs.
one keep blowing
Dude,
up?
elite.
Oh, I gotta put it underwater.
Ah,
I'm catching this rock! Oh.
ew. Oh my God, you got it.
I'm washing my hands in the
Ah.
water. Wait, what do you... This is like bathing, guys.
Wait,
This
this
is
is
bathing.
big.
Yeah.
Look at this, dude.
Look at my hand.
Dude!
You can see my book. You can see this hand. Like, hey, why do these guys keep...
I feel the bottom. Dude, look what I pulled out. Sand is brown.
What the?
Look at this. Guys,
Guys, we're gonna take a shout
it's
out.
bent down. At least
We're taking a shout out for this. Okay, guys?
look what I pulled. Let's just say that is cement. Should we take all the water out, guys? Look at it.
Guys, I'm touching the bottom. I touched the bottom.
Me too.
The bug might be there, guys. You guys. Yeah, no
You
bug.
got
No bug.
There was a bug.
It's gone.
It drowned. And it got.
I'm
I'm pulling up a bug.
The dead bug. And I'm very okay.
Guys, this is so much fun. I wish you were here.
Look, he's clean. Is that a magic trick? Because when I got him out of the water, he's clean. Is that kind of cool? Magic trick.
Oh, look at like this
Oh,
dude.
he's clean again, guys.
I'm drowning.
Look.
Sounds
It is dirty now. Let's see if he's going to be clean.
Look at the
now.
Look at her mess.
Oh, now he's dirty. Now let's see if he's
Look at my hand.
Oh, he's clean now, guys. Is that
Dude.
magic trick? Okay, I'm going to put it in.
Look, I can pull on where the bug was. And where. Oh my God! Look, touching the bug.
Oh, my. Sticky key.
I'm putting it.
When it is anybody.
I digged his
I
face
can't,
up.
I can't see anybody.
Like, look at the ground. Like, how did you brown, gray?
Guys, you gotta make sure nobody sees us, okay? Right, guys?
Huh?
Somebody will see us, but we will.
Should we end the video?
We will kick them in the balls and who will see.
So,
What?
look at this dude. We're gonna put him sitting right on.
Oh.
Guys, everybody wet.
Well, guys, I see. Why do you not turn that off?
It's gonna be a flood.
No, guys, I'm not kidding.
We're gonna leave it on night. I feel something. I feel a big, ginormous buggy. Like, guys, my sister said, am I joking? And I said, actually not joking. Should we end the video? I just buried everybody.
Guys, why did what? This
What
is not
the?
even.
Oopsie.
Guys, look, what's happening?
Guys. Dude.
I floated it.
It's turned really smally.
Oh.
Oh, right. That is so scary.
Don't do it.
Alright, that was so... I got pull up them.
I don't see no Legos.
There.
I don't see no Legos at the bottom.
Look, he's floating.
Oh my.
He's not floating.
Something. What is... When's the bug? Ah! My pants are gonna get wet. Oh my. Oh.
Guys, we have to end the video here.
What? I got 2 Legos?
1,
Okay.
2, 3, 4. Where's number 5? Shut to the door. Bye, guys. Welcome back from... Guys, please like and subscribe. Then we can make another video. Might be like this, but better. Dude, it's not even Christmas. Bye, guys.
Bye.